welcome back. Welcome to Going Solo Diaries episode 7. It's 10 in the morning and right now we've got the Viet security cameras team here. They're gonna be installing my cameras and sensors all around my house. As you saw before the intro played, I dropped off my boyfriend at the airport yesterday. I was literally so emotional, but we had such an amazing time here together. He stayed here for like 2 weeks. It was just amazing. Right after that, I got a delivery from Scandinavian Designs and my painting arrived. It's literally huge, like an oil painting, and it's gonna go right there above the stairwell. I'm about to go out and run some errands, but while I'm up here, I wanna show you guys what we have so far, because in episode 5, I filmed a lot, but there was so much that I didn't film and didn't showcase because obviously I wanted to move in and not worry about filming and vlogging and all that. I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of the top floor and what we have so far, and then I'll probably do the same for the other 2. New changes that we have, I got this bench, which you guys saw in episode 5. I also got this mirror from Target, and it's just super cute in the entryway. A nice little something to walk into. Also, if you see blue tape everywhere, that is for the people to come fix. We made a spreadsheet of all the things that need to be touched up, redone, or repaired. In the mudroom, nothing else really changed. Obsessed with my new Lululemon backpack, which I opened up in the other video, but it's just beautiful. Drew and Uva hung up this fast track, so I've got a bunch of my tools like the floor cleaner, ladder, brooms, and vacuum all hung up on here, and it's just been super efficient. I couldn't have done it without them. And then we've got this little shoe rack, which we've just been placing shoes miscellaneously. While I'm waiting for my couch, we've got these chairs here, which I have been obsessed with. They're from HomeGoods and they're like the comfiest things ever. And then I got these pillows on Amazon. If you're looking for good quality pillows, go to Amazon. Don't waste your money at fancy furniture stores. All of this is going to be rearranged and stuff because it just looks very cluttered up here. But these new candles are from Anthropologie. Every time Glossier sends me a PR package, I keep it because it's just the cutest thing ever. Maybe it'll go on like the coffee table or something. I've got some little books here. I've got a bunch more at home that I need to bring up. This cute little flower pot vase is from Anthropologie. This was a plant given to me by the home builder. This is a cute little teapot from my grandma. And then these 2 crosses, my mom and I went to this Catholic store, and I'm pretty sure tomorrow a priest is coming by to bless them as well as my house. That's just something that my mom really wanted, and it was just super important to her. So I think the bigger wooden cross is gonna go somewhere above my front door, and then this smaller crucifix is gonna go in my bedroom. This is also from Anthropologie. Can you guys tell I love Anthropologie, but you know my love for candles. Another new addition to the house is my freebie bike, which Drew actually built yesterday. I'm so excited. This has been so much fun to use, and I'm gonna show you guys how I've been using it probably in one of the future videos. All right, as for my bedroom, literally it's pretty simple. I was gonna get a dresser here or like some sort of desk, but I already have a desk on the bottom floor and my closet has more than enough space, so I don't really need a dresser. So all I have right now is just my mattress on the ground. My bed frame is on back order right now from Crate & Barrel, so that should be coming hopefully before September. So comment down below what I should do with this space because I've got so much room. I did get the same mirror that I had in my Austin house, but I have no idea like what to do with all of this space. All right, then for my bathroom, let's turn on these lights. I've gotten very comfortable, as you can see. My perfumes are here, my makeup brushes, and then I put these little clear like tables on each sink. So when Cassidy was here, she had that side and had all of her skincare filled up. It was super cute. The drawers definitely still need to be rearranged, and I just need to figure out how I want to organize all that. My closet is pretty much all done. These are my mom's clothes down here, but everything else is filled up. So I have bins full of stuff, coats, shorts, skirts, and these aren't even all of my clothes. I still have a lot more in Austin that I need to pack. But I have 2 more trips out of Austin. 1 to Seaside and then 1 out of the country with Maddie. So it's gonna be a party. I thought I was gonna be more stressed than I was, but surprisingly this trip has been super relaxing. All right, Currently at Trader Joe's right now. I gotta get some groceries. I don't know if I'm gonna film. I'm new to the area, maybe. This is hands down the best matcha. I'm in the office right now, sitting at my desk, and I forgot to say, I had to run to Home Depot and get a power surge for my office because I needed an extension cord. I've got so many things that are needing to be plugged in. The vent guy just left, so everything is all programmed. It's the same security system that I have at my old house in Texas. So I'm very familiar with it. If you guys are looking for a security home system or you're freshly moving into an apartment or a house, I 100% recommend them. They always do such an amazing job. Okay, hi. So we just got back from eating at this super yummy Italian restaurant, called Luciano's in Boise. That was amazing. I just got a package from Idaho Power. Let's see what they sent. Gotta put my hair in a pony first. Y'all, it is hot here. I didn't think that Boise could get this hot, but kind of feels like Texas a little bit. Okay, so they sent some night lights.
You can send the guest room.
That is so cute. What else did they send? Oh, this package is really warm. When I went to the Bronco shop to get some new sweatshirts and stuff from Boise, I got this blue one, and then I found this lid and bottom protector on Amazon. It's like a dupe knockoff brand, but it fits my Hydro Flask. So I went back to the Bronco store because I love this one so much. So I got another one, and this one is white. Here it is. So yeah, I got a plain white one, but I wanted to make it fancy and decorate it the way that I did this one. So I got an orange cap. Also, today is Prime Day. I had no idea what that was, but my mom ordered like 7 things from Amazon. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Gosh, yes, this already looks so good. And it comes with 2 straws and 2 straw cleaners. If you guys want, comment down below and I can link these things in the description. Mom, do you want to drink out of this one while you're here? We also went to Home Goods and TJ Maxx, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got once I wash this. Okay, so I got 3 things for the office. The first thing is this cute little stationary pencil holder. I'm probably gonna put my pens on this side, pencils on this side, and then maybe some scissors or something. The next thing I got is another stationary piece. These are like office supplies, so the 2 ends are paper clips, the middle is like push pins. And then finally, I got this big calendar, which I'm just gonna put on the middle of my desk. I am gonna have my own personal planner for when I go to college classes and just my YouTube planning in general, but this one will strictly be for traveling and just important things that are gonna come up. Last thing I got is not for my office, but it's for my bed, and I have these same pillows at my house in Austin. They're just really good plain white ones from Home Goods.
Hi! I went to the store and I decided to get things for her office and kind of like a mini first aid kit. So let's see what we got. This bin is for her office supplies and this is for her first aid kit. All right, so this is for her first aid minus this. You have stains.
Oh, is that the Shout?
Yes, but it's even better than Shout's OxyClean.
Oh.
It's amazing. Hydrogen peroxide to treat minor cuts and abrasions. Rubbing alcohol, you always need this. I didn't know that she has cotton, but I got more cotton.
Oh, that's fine.
But we can always leave it in the guest room. We've got Gold Bond Maximum Strength. It's to help with minor burns, cuts, minor skin irritation, insect bite, sunburn, and it's steroid free.
Nice.
And then the good old Neosporin. Gotta always have one.
I love Neosporin.
Floss. It's really important to floss your teeth, guys. Advil. Miracle Worker. It's like an ibuprofen, but to me it's better. This girl's gotta get Benadryl. She has way too many allergies.
Yeah, I've got like 50 million.
So this is good for her in case she has something of an attack. Yeah. And last but not least, this is a cleansing liquid. So if you got a cut and you're bleeding, you can gently put this on and clean it, disinfect it, and it says no sting. So that's the haul for the bathroom.
So that's all gonna go in there. She's making, also we have a label maker.
Oh yeah.
So we should make a label that says first aid kit. I did get a first aid kit from Amazon, but this is like a different first aid kit.
Yeah.
The stuff that they don't put in there. Also, y'all, I literally did my workout bike this morning. That was hard and I was literally dripping in sweat. And then after I did an ab workout and a lower body workout, and I feel amazing. It's getting me excited for my new routine once I finally start school, all that stuff. Okay, my mom also got some other stuff, so she's gonna...
Your office, hold on. Where Caroline lives, they only recycle like paper.
Yeah, it's stupid. Can y'all please petition and tell Idaho to make it available to recycle everything, because they literally only let you recycle paper. They don't let you recycle plastic, metal, or anything.
Okay, first aid kit done. So some of these will go in here and some of them will not, but let's peel this off. And we may have to go back and get another bin depending on what Caroline wants. Alright, so I got the basic necessity that I think she needs for school and just in general for office. Okay, first thing, you can never go wrong with colorful Sharpies. And then, this is for her journal, because you know Caroline always likes to journal.
Cute.
To take notes for her notebook and her journal. And then 3 pairs of scissors. Westcott is the best brand of scissors. And a hole puncher. We always need a hole puncher. Tape something. Post-it notes, my favorite, and they're lined.
I do like these colors.
Hot glue gun. Important. Note cards.
Oh, I need to write my thank you note cards today. I'm so behind.
Good old-fashioned Elmer's glue. And colorful paper clips in 3 different sizes. That's the first haul. The second one is, there were plastic rulers, but it was like really cheap looking. But I decided to get a stainless steel metal one. And it has like the cork grip. And you always need envelopes because, you know, she doesn't have to pay bills. She's a big girl now. Index card to take notes when she goes to college and she wants to study. Glue sticks, my favorite. Highlighters, important. We've got the fat highlighters and these skinny highlighters. And for those that makes mistakes like me, we've got 2 kinds of whiteout. One is a liquid and one is a correction tape.
Nice.
Okay. And then this is important. Sometimes when you're reading and you need to, it's like a colorful bookmark. A bigger size of index cards in case she needs to write some more notes. And last but not least, this is all-purpose rubber band. Covered everything.
You literally did all my back to school shopping for me.
I know.
What am I gonna do for the video now?
You still need to get books, binders, papers. I didn't get any of that. I just got more of the accessories.
Okay.
So this is more like an office. What do you want me to do?
I think the IKEA people are here delivering my outdoor furniture set. So currently I've got this whole set outside, but that's actually gonna be going on the 2nd floor outside of my room. And I got a cute little dining set, but I'm gonna have to build it myself because IKEA doesn't have a store here, which means that they can't build it. But that's okay, this will put me up for a challenge. All the cushions are on. I'm literally dripping in sweat, so I'm gonna finish the rest of these boxes probably tomorrow. I'm on my way to the Scandinavian store to pick up my lamp. I feel so gross right now, like I'm literally sweating. After that, my mom and I are gonna go to the spa place to get massages. I booked her and I 2-hour massages because we have been just working our asses off to get moved in, and she's been such a help. My hair looks crazy. We just got back from the massage place, or the spa. It definitely was not what I was expecting at all, but they did a really good job. They put oils in my hair, so now my hair is super oily, but I just picked up some noodles and company. I got a salad, Mediterranean salad, and my mom got food from this Vietnamese restaurant. This is the lamp that we picked up earlier. It's gonna go in my living room and it looks like this. Very industrial, old-fashioned. You guys, it looks so good. I'm obsessed. Okay, now we have to deal with all this.